My name is Joe Snell. I'm an architect and my company is called Studio Snell. The UTE House is for my family, Laura and the boys and the dog. It's a 4-bedroom home, garden, pool. Plungies really worked for me in terms of this house, and I designed it in quite early because I knew that I needed to get the pool in first and then design the house around it. Basically, the pool is a real centerpiece of the house. It's the thing that you focus on before you then look at the view. It's been seamless working with Plungie. Whenever I'm specifying, if I can also see there's BIM content, it means that my team and we can actually put it in and we know it's real. So we can put it in and we can know we're safe. If we're using your BIM model, we just plug it in. Yeah, I just felt that it was a really efficient way to make this build go quicker, get a pool in, and because it's prefabricated, it means that we're not building on site, and with the cost of building at the moment, then it's actually a cost-effective way to go forward. It's been an easy process.